question for you. Do you want to make a great first impression at reception? This is a simple line that I will teach you today that will help you do exactly that. So, guys, stay with us here on the World in Focus podcast, and we're hosting Portuguese Made Easy. Begin with good morning or good afternoon. If it's morning, it is bom dia. If it is good afternoon, it is boa tarde. And you can say boa tarde. Tenho uma reserva no nome de Adrian or de Jackie. A que horas é o check-in? A que horas é o check-in? And that is good afternoon or good morning. I have a reservation under the name Adrian or Jackie. What time is check-in? Easy like that. Here on the World in Focus podcast, we're making Portuguese easy for you. Always remember, guys, to start with, a warm greeting like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Boa tarde works until 7 p.m. in Brazil, right? And it also shows that you're respectful and cognizant of the local manners, and it also sets a tone for good service to follow. And this is very important. So saying tenho uma reserva keeps it clear and it also keeps it polite, guys. Staff loves, guests, even if you don't speak their language, who are calm and organized and show that you're trying. All right. And you'll often get better, guys, with our Portuguese made easy. So see you soon for the next episode. Cheers and goodbye.